Hey you guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 2.5K mini 1440p dash cam. This one is equipped with a 32 gigabyte of SD card, which is included. It has a night vision, WDR, G sensor, loop recording, and 24-hour parking mode. So today we've got our mini dash cam. This is a 1440 2.5K. So if you do a lot of driving such as myself and you are tired of people running in front of you and want to just make sure you have a backup plan in case you do get hit, this dash cam is a good one to look into. It has an auto recording, loop recording. It is a QHD dash cam, built-in Wi-Fi and app, so you can connect with the app. Unfortunately, this one does not have a display to display, but it does have an app. So right here you do get the charging port with the car accessory, so that is already included. You can enjoy stunning videos of 2.5 clarity, so you also get the tool to put it around your car. I like the fact that it does come with a 32 gigabyte of SD card, and you also have a micro SD USB, and you've got a couple little stickers here, plus you've got a little pin to pop out the SD card. You can automatically lock the video, so it does have that option. All the options and the settings are in through the app instead of the camera itself, because it does not have a display. So you can see how sleek and lightweight and little this is. It does have a little sticker so it can stick onto your window, and then there is a camera right there. You can see that it is really nice and tiny, so it doesn't take much room on your windshield. Right here on the side you have a TF card slot, and you also have a Type-C, which is the power port that powers this up. All the settings is done through the app because there is no display. You can see that it is sleek, lightweight. It does have some vents on the side, and then here is the power button. So they actually have one button to turn it on. So in there you have all the accessories to connect, and then here is the user manual. It just basically tells you how to set it up. This does have a built-in Wi-Fi app control. The dash cam within Wi-Fi functions make it very convenient to transfer, so you don't have to worry about it being on the display itself. It has featuring a 1.8 large aperture WDR, which is a wide dynamic range technology, which effortlessly increases the amount of light, balance, and the overall exposure of the dash cam. It makes the car camera provide clear and stable images. So then here you have the camera functions, and it says the interference instructions. Then, like most other dash cams, it does have a 24-hour parking monitoring. The monitoring of the dash cam, which it detects sudden vibrations or collisions, so you're always covered. You do get the little sticky paper so you can stick them onto your windshield without leaving any residue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this dash cam outside because I am not going in my car right now. I'm going to go outside and capture some footage, but I like the fact that it does come already equipped with a 32 gigabyte of SD card, so you have a little something to start recording right out of the box. So you can see right here is the 32 SD card. You can go up higher. I think it's up to 250 gigabyte if you choose, but this one here is right out of the box, so it's ready to go. So here is some footage of my backyard. It is not a 4K, it is a 2.5K, which is a 1440p. It's a little under the 4K, but you can see it's got very good clarity. You can see all the details in it, and it does have a timestamp, so it does stamp the time and the date just in case you need that for future use. So I'm just gonna let you see the quality as I walk around here, get some of the nature.